When I first started uploading content, I honestly didn't want to show my face, so I didn't. I was uploading 15-second videos and I would just show my speaker playing my beats, and that was really my content. And I didn't get into showing my face until one of my friends, Ryan, he told me, hey, you should start showing your face on videos. And I was like, I don't know. I'm not really into the idea of that. What if people say a whole bunch of stuff about me? I'm just not sure if should do that. And he essentially motivated me to get out there and put myself on camera, which is why I started making videos showing my face. The way that I started to get comfortable with making videos with my face was just starting one video at a time, which may sound kind of cheesy, but it's one of those things where once you start that one video, you just do the other one, and you do another one, and another one, and another one, and by the time you look at yourself, you're like, wow, I've done 50 videos. And the thing with feedback, of course, you can get negative comments. I definitely deal with bullying and things like that just due to how people perceive how I look. They always have something to say. However, what's worked for me and what I really try to focus on is what kind of impact am I looking to have when I create videos? How can someone else be able to take what I say in a video and be able to be inspired and motivated to do whatever it is that they're doing or want to do. And so remembering that I have a bigger purpose than what these comments are saying. And these people don't know me in real life, right? It's much easier to say mean comments and bully people online when you don't have to say it to their face. For anyone that is looking to make content, keep in mind what is your true purpose? What is your intention? Why are you making videos? Is it to educate? Is it to entertain? Is it to motivate people? Really figure out your why. Figure out why you're making content. Why are you going to be showing your face? What does that look like for you? What is your messaging style? And I always say be true to who you are, be authentic, make sure that when you're putting out content, show your personality, whatever that is. Maybe your personality is very soft spoken. Don't feel like you have to be like, hey, what's going on, guys? Like, that's not you. If you're just a chill person that likes to lay back and just make videos, that's great. Or if you're super hype and you're like, hey, what's going on? How are you doing? Everything's great. Are you good? Are we good? Then that's cool. That's your personality. And just know that you are important and you have value, and when you put out these videos you're going to be able to build a community, just like I built Minigang, which is really a special community to me of individuals who just all have the same goals, who are motivated to get to the same place. And that has been built through the fact that I've been creating this content for, shoot, how many years now? Since 2014, when I started uploading videos, and that's been able to create a lot of awesome opportunities for me as well. I've been able to do things for like Coca Cola, Snapchat. I've had documentaries about me, and I've gone viral in different content platforms and things like that. So, putting out content with my face definitely has helped me and helped me connect with other companies that have paid me to create content and continue to pay me. And because people have seen me and get to connect with me as a person, they reach out to me. So these are the opportunities that can happen when you're putting out your face. And another thing that I want to say specifically to my, producers who have a disability, or if you're an artist, creative, whoever is watching this right now, if you have a disability, just know that there is a community there of other disabled folks who are going to support you. And even for myself, I am, connecting with more people like myself, who have various disabilities. And that has really been comforting for me because, to be honest, the world can be very cruel and it can be super hard to put yourself out there, especially if you have something that is very noticeable to people. They can be very mean, and people can just be mean in general, no matter what you look like, no matter what you got going on. However, us disabled folks, we know that there's just a different degree of just really hateful people out there. So, if you are disabled, one, please, you can connect with me, reach out to me, and I will try to get back to you, in a timely manner. And we can connect as well if you want to do some content together or just have someone to talk to. I'd love to be able to talk to you because I know what it's like to put yourself out there as a disabled person and have to deal with really just hateful type of people. And if you're just someone who is, looking to connect with another cool disabled person, hit me up, hit me up. So I wanted to put out this video because I've been asked this question of like, how do you put yourself out there? And I hope this helps someone. But again, like I said, don't be afraid to share your story. Don't be afraid to put out your content out there and take it one video at a time. And don't feel like you have to just put out 20 videos with your face if you're not comfortable yet. Just take each step at a time. And again, if you want someone to talk to when it comes to putting out content and creating just like this, then go ahead and reach out to me. You can hit me up on Instagram, Mini Producer, Twitter, Mini Producer, and you can also reach out through email, support@miniproducer.com. Either way, super grateful to anyone who's watching this video. Keep making great content. Keep being awesome. I'll see you later. Peace out.